Greetings. Today we do a simple one, as you know, with my twist on it. We're doing split pea soup today. Check out the ingredients. Okay, these are the ingredients. We got parsley, basil, turmeric, coconut oil, coconut cream, your Himalayan sea salt, pink one. We got some thyme. We've got some onions, some butternut squash, some beans. We got white spelt, wholemeal spelt, some mushroom, butternut mushroom. We got some cherry tomato, spring onions, celery, peppers, onion, cayenne pepper, garam masala, oregano, and split pea. We got split pea, or some say dal, chana dal, split pea. Okay, so we have celery, beans, and butternut squash chopped up, and we have split pea here bubbling away. Okay, so we have tomatoes, peppers, onions, spring onions, and mushroom there. We have all that stuff in there ready going, and we have our flours here. So we have mixed the white spelt with the whole milk spelt and a bit of salt. So we're making some dumplings. So we'll make dumplings. I'm just gonna get some water now. Okay, our dough is ready to do our dumplings now. Dumpling is in, so we'll just wait for that to bubble down for a little bit. Okay, so we're just gonna put our dry seasoning. So we have parsley, bit of parsley there, some basil, some thyme, some oregano, and we have some garam masala. Just put a pinch. Got some cayenne. That's it. You know, I like it spicy, but we all like it spicy. I can't fit very well. I'll go for a smaller spoon. So we go for turmeric, and we have the salt. This you're gonna have to taste it, so I'll gauge it and I'll taste it and see how it is. So that's that. So that's bubbling away. I think I need a bigger pot, man. Bubbling away. See all the colors, the lovely colors. You know how I do. Let's stir that up. Get some dumplings there. Okay, it's ready now. Let me check it. You see how it looks? See? Nice and thick. Ooh, some dumplings. Let me grab my bowl. Let me share some out. Nice and thick, man. There we go. Nice and filling. You spill on the side, but look at that. That's how we do it. Like, subscribe, and I'll continue to bring out these goodness. See you next time.